Promenade Tower, 300 North Coit.
Promenade Tower or 300 North Coit Road. Yeah, press down. And that's the service.
Oh, it's up on 5.
It's its own separate thing.
We'll see which one comes. We'll take whatever comes. Take this one first.
These had their controllers replaced in the 90s, so they're not original. 100%.
Oh yeah, this
Wow.
This is a really nice.
Should we go down to A?
Bottom for A.
A.
Yeah.
Close the door.
Door closed button works. Here we go.
The key. For some reason they put a key on 4, but 4 is public, so.
All right, let's watch this. Here we go. I'm going to send down to A. Door close does not work.
Is it over?
This
is the service car.
Even for a service elevator, this is
is definitely a passenger originally. They probably did this in the 90s when they replaced the controllers.
They added a floor to it.
Yeah, I don't think these originally served all those.
There's a panel there.
Oh wait, 4 has a key switch?
It works. I'm assuming 4 was closed at some point.
Here we're on A.
We can ride a passenger too, but they might be busy.
We're going down here.
Yeah, that's it.
Here we're down to A with loud music, and I'm talking over the music.
All right, well,
So
that'll
there
be
we go.
it.
We got a passenger.
Oh, passenger ride?
Here we
All right,
go.
let's ride both of them then.
Lost focus. There we are.
And it. Ooh, man.
15.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, this is nice.
All right, let's watch these.
These are
numbers.
faster.
We're at 15.
So which one you want to go to, B or A?
I guess the lobby.
B. Very nice.
These are nice.
These are pretty tall as well.
Yeah, they're pretty tall.
I like these buttons.
Door closed doesn't work.
Door closed
Come
doesn't
on.
work.
You can do it.
And
You
there
can do it, Dover. Make your dreams come true. More
There's
of a-
Jason.
There's this
Steven.
window. Yeah, look what I have with me today.
Andrew's head is in the way.
I love these buttons. And there's the phone.
We're in elevator number 4.
We're at the lobby.
For some reason they said B was the lobby, A is the basement. That's a bit weird.
All right, here we are on the lobby.
And look at this.
Look at this.
Look at the size of that hall station.
You can see all the elevators.
Anyways.
Look at that hall station.
Well, that'll be it.
And this is the lobby, and now it's still picture time.